Mabuhay! Welcome to this Amadeus beginner tutorial. In the next few minutes, I'll teach you how to book a flight itinerary, create a complete PNR, and finish by pricing this fare. These are the 3 essential skills every new travel consultant must learn. Let's begin by searching for flights. If your client wants to travel June 20, Manila to Tokyo, type AN20 June MNL NRT. Breakdown: AN availability neutral, 20 June date of travel, MNL from Manila, NRT to Tokyo. Amadeus will now show all flights for that day with their classes and availability. Let's say your client chooses the first flight in economy class. To sell one seat, type SS1Y1, meaning SS sell segment, 1 passenger, Y economy class, and 1 flight number line from display. You have now added the flight segment into the reservation. If your client needs a round trip, check your return availability, AN 25 June NRT MNL, and sell the return flight SS1 Y2. Now the round trip itinerary is complete. Enter a passenger name. Use NM1 Santos / Ana MS. If there are 2 passengers, NM2 Santos / Ana MS and Santos / Juan MR. Names must match passport spelling exactly. Add a phone contact, AP MNL 0917-1234567. Add an email, AP email ana@gmail.com. Ticketing deadline, if not automatic, type TKTL 15 June. This means the ticket must be issued on or before June 15. Before saving the booking, identify yourself, RF, ANA. To save and generate the PNR, type ER or ET. Amadeus will now display a 6-character record locator, the official booking reference. Now, let's price the itinerary. FXP, price the whole PNR for all passengers. FXB, price using the lowest available fare. And FXX, display fare code with breakdown only for a simple automatic price. FXP, Amadeus will now display base fare, taxes, total price, fare basis, fare rules, ticketing conditions. If you want to store the fare in this PNR, FXP/R, U. For simply use FXP and then ER again. In this short tutorial, you learned how to search flight availability, book and sell flight segments, create a complete PNR, add names, contacts, TTL and remarks, and save and retrieve a booking, and lastly, price the fare automatically. These are the most essential Amadeus skills for beginners and the foundation of travel agency operations. And that's all. Choose tourism, choose you in Manila.